What is going on, guys? This is Devin from Marks Motorsports, and in front of me I have a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, or INT in North America. This bike is a phenomenal motorcycle with great handling, tons of fun, a peppy motor, and on top of that a 3-year warranty that is front to back. Anything that you want in this motorcycle is covered as far as defects from the manufacturer, and on top of that you also get roadside assistance. All of that is starting at $57.99, so you're really getting a lot of value here. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the bike, so let's do that. This bike comes out of the box with a center stand, which is really nice for all your chain cleaning needs as well as storing it. Lifts up the rear wheel and then allows you to spin it. So if you needed to clean the chain or do any kind of adjustments, it makes that really nice and easy. This bike also comes with oil reservoir shocks in the rear, made by Gabriel. The front suspension is also made by Gabriel. This bike is fuel injected and is also counterbalanced, so no vibration. Really nice ride overall. It's really a great bike. This bike comes out of the box with ABS for the front and rear, as well as having Vibri brakes, which is actually a sister company of Brembo. On top of that, you have Pirelli tires. These are actually the same that come on all the Triumph Modern Classics. It's the Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp. And it also has stainless steel braided brake lines. So you're getting a lot of premium quality features for really a non-premium price. Overall, if you are looking for a bike that is a very attractive starting price of $57.99, as well as being very light, very easy to ride, and tons of fun for both beginners and experienced riders, then you should definitely be considering this bike. If you like the look of the classics, it has that BSA lines to the motor. Really, really retro looking, and with a great warranty, great dealer support. Overall, it's just a great bike. So, if you have any questions on it, feel free to give us a shout at 860-741-5115. This is Devin from Marks Motorsports in Enfield, Connecticut. Thanks very much for watching, guys.